Most organizations, again, especially if they're in the upper left quadrant and they want to adopt Agile, right? So they're large, complex organizations, lots of dependencies, heavy PMO, heavy governance, but because for whatever reason, they're dealing with lots of change. And it could be change that's introduced by the market. It could be change that's introduced by lack of certainty on the product organization. It could be change that's introduced by poor strategy, poor business alignment, right? There's lots of reasons why we might experience change. The first step is not to go super hyper agile and hope for the best, right? The first step is to stabilize the system in place. To orchestrate a transformation, what you're going to do is you're going to figure out what pieces of the organization need to go together, and then you're going to start to put them on a journey of helping them understand what intermediate outcomes start to look like. The first step is almost always stabilize the system in place. Form teams, recognize dependencies, put in some lightweight governance to coordinate dependencies and cross-cutting concerns, subordinate to a portfolio, make sure that we're explicitly managing capacity against demand. You're probably doing that in the context of maybe a 12-month roadmap, 3 to 6 month rolling wave plan, and probably some pretty heavy 6 to 12 week backlog creation. Mike, that doesn't sound agile. Yeah, it's probably not agile yet. Okay, it's iterative, it's incremental, it's team-based, you can use Scrum, but you're wrapping it in controls so that you have coordination across entities. Because one of the biggest things that we've discovered from trying to implement things like scrums of scrums and whatever is that those tend to be late discovery mechanisms, and we don't realize that we have dependencies until we're already in the middle of it and everybody's overloaded, so you can't effectively inject your dependency into the next team. It happens more often than not. Or those dependencies create disruption in the other teams, okay, and stabilizes velocity. So what we want to do is we want to pull planning just far enough forward that we understand dependencies and cross-cutting concerns, and we want to extend planning far enough out where the teams can start to see and anticipate where they're going.